A few weeks into life with our newborn baby, and I'm ready to reorganize the baby dresser so it works better for us. In this newborn phase, we use the baby dresser multiple times a day for outfits, burp and muslin cloths, extra diapers, and all the little essentials. And I realized that the way I first set it up just isn't the most practical for us. So, in today's video, I'm simplifying one small but very important area in our home, the baby dresser. After 2 weeks with a newborn, this is what our baby dresser looks like now. And I've already used up all the diapers we originally stored in this drawer. And instead, we ended up putting muslin cloths in here. But I realized that this placement doesn't really make sense for us. There's too little space, and I want to make it much easier for us to grab a new muslin cloth because we use so many each day. So I'm going to move them elsewhere and rethink how each drawer is used. My goal is to make it easier to get to the things we need and easier to maintain, and also more manageable throughout this season in life where all our energy and time goes to our baby. These are too big, 56, 1 month. So we use 44 and 50. They are here. All the bodies are gonna fit next. And all the hats. And the trousers, pants, and socks. And in this drawer, we. Oh! Sorry about the missing audio here. I'm mostly just talking to myself while trying to make some decisions and figure out what actually works best day to day. Here we have blankets and extra. All the extra diapers and random stuff. Just put them here. For the lower drawer, I've decided to replace the baby items with some of my office things, since I recently, in my last video, decluttered my office cabinet. Right here is the things that is work that I want to put inside the drawer. All this stuff. Yes. So these items didn't really have a proper home anymore, and this drawer will do for now. Some of our baby's bath toys are going into this bottle, which also works as a bath bottle to gently pour water over her in the bathtub. And it keeps it contained and easy to grab when she needs a bath. And I'm sorry about all the background noises. I have reduced or removed some of it in this editing, so it's a little more relaxing to listen to. One thing I've learned already is that simplicity is everything during the newborn phase. You don't need like perfect organization. You just need systems that work when you're tired and running on little sleep, and also when you're holding a baby in one arm. So here's a few things that really helps us. First, keep only the essential in the top and most used drawers. And second, store items where you actually use them, not where they should go. And third, don't be afraid to change your setup. What worked before might not work now. And the fourth, less stuff means fewer decisions, and fewer decisions means less mental load. And remember, it's okay if your home looks lived in. This season is about support, not perfection. And that's something I'm learning myself and trying to be better at. Please enjoy some background music while I organize my dresser. And this is how the baby dresser looks now. Simpler, more functional, and much easier for us to use throughout the day. Small changes like this make a difference when you're adjusting to life with a newborn. So, simplifying our home helps us to focus on what matters most right now, and that's family. I decided to get rid of these reusable diaper covers. and all the diapers that was on top of this shelf were still too big. So I wanted to store it under the bed until she can grow into this size. And now for the muslin cloth. I am uncertain where I will store it. Maybe we will find some more storage for it later. I don't want to fold all the muslin cloths each time, so we need to come up with a better solution. But for this video, I'm not doing that. I'm just storing them elsewhere. And in this small drawer, I will keep some of my toiletries or my hair tools. Those ones that I use very often, like my hair dryer and my hairbrush, and also my iron and other hair accessories will go in here later. If you're a new parent or expecting, I hope this video gave you some inspiration to create simple, manageable systems that support you and your family. If you enjoy calm nesting or organizing and slow living with a newborn, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video.